Another day for driving a Mustang. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We're going to take a wonderful ride in this nice white Mustang here. This is a phenomenal car. Oh god, listen to the sound of that. Anyways, we're gonna go pick up one of my buddies. We're gonna record some videos today. Makes my car ride like a pile of bricks. You know you're in the woods and sticks when you see nothing but pasture. You know, a bunch of potholes. See that. Right on over in that direction we are here. He lived too far away, I tell you what. .804, 805, 806, 7, 8. Over the speed bump right here. Yes, yes. Over the speed bump right here. Yep, yep. Rise and shine, buddy.
Oh
my god. Then just say stocks on camera. What the heck? I don't know that place is a U-Haul place.
It also looks like it has a camper. Oh my god.
What the heck?
Were you recording? Where's my horse friend at? He's not there today. What the heck?
Oh my god. A tower is erected out of the ground. guys at the gas station. Everything's falling in the car. What the heck?
It's a nice bricklaying truck there. Top of the line.
That's a 2020 model.
Revival. You feel like doing some reviving today? Oh my gosh. Hey, look, there's our new apartments.
Oh, there's a broom over there. I think it is abandoned hotel or something like that.
Looks like it. That door's definitely open. I wouldn't think anybody lived here. Look, there's an old sectional. My girlfriend talked about how she wanted a sectional.
It's all here.
No trespassing.
Let's see. Oh my god.
Yeah, I guess this is like an old, like, hotel.
There's a ton of crap in here.
It's not
Old
wood.
picture. Oh my god. Look at the
Dude,
photo.
what the heck? Maybe this
Kinda
is
creepy,
like old
huh?
apartments.
Maybe. Look, there's.
Filing cabinet.
Ooh. Oh, telco. Internet bills. Oh my god, there's another photo.
Oh my god. There's more photos.
There's a photo of just the back of somebody's head. Like, who does that?
I don't know, this is kind of creepy.
That's kind of creepy, man.
This looks
Oh
like
my
a
God.
like an old stylist chair. The air like vent thing on it.
That's exactly what it is.
So maybe this used to be like where somebody cut hair at on that side. I wonder if this place has like asbestos in it. I might cover my nose. Dude, that toilet looks fresh. Need a poop?
Oh my god, look at the phone. Look at that phone.
Somehow I still got something in my mouth.
Like a whole Jurassic Park back here.
Look, you got your moonroof. Oh my gosh. Look at that old telephone. Or is that what you just said?
What I just said.
I thought you said phone. We got a little cat carrier. I wonder if this place really used to be though. Because it's kind of.
I think you're right. I think it is apartments. Because look. It's got that.
That's crazy. Back door. Looks like a carport or something. I don't know.
That moment used to be a really nice, expensive house back in the day. Clearly not though, because of the way the doors are laid out. Dude, there's like heaters, tires over there. Freaking whole set of tires right there.
What the heck?
Yeah.
It's like somebody's been using this as a storage building.
Those pictures are creepy. Like, who the heck takes a picture
Of the back.
of the back of somebody's head?
That's what I'm thinking. I feel like they used to be like a. Dude, look at this old toilet. It's elongated and shit.
Look how small this shower is.
Dude, look, there's a freaking painting over here.
Guys, I think this place is kind of creepy up here on the hill. What do you think?
Yeah, I've always thought this place was a little bit creepy driving past it.
Yeah, like, look at this stuff. Back of somebody's head.
Yeah,
Like,
turn
back
it
in the
around.
80s.
I feel like it's haircuts and stuff.
Look at that.
Like, look, because there's another one of the hair drying seats.
Oh my god.
I think this part of the building somebody cut hair in.
Or maybe it's just storage. Filing cabinet. I kind of want to look through and see how old this stuff is, but I don't know what the heck's in here. Old logbook, a receipt book.
What is the
98.
Oh my gosh. Dude, I was still like a little kid.
Yeah, 1998. Oh, gross. Look at that old ass sink.
Oh my god. Look how tiny the head is on it. That's about the size of mine.
Oh my god. What do you guys think? Creepy or what? I think so.
Oh, spider. Oh god. Ugh. I don't like spiders. You're opening that door. That's what even opened. That place actually looks a lot cleaner than the other places.
Oh my god. We'll don't leave that door alone.
Yeah, we'll come in through the other side. Because, like, this wood doesn't look that old.
Once upon a time ago. Yeah, look, there's like concrete, carpet. That side ain't so creepy.
That's why that door wasn't able to be opened. There's some styrofoam in front of it.
Oh my. What the heck is that? Sifter?
Yeah,
Oh my god, we sift for that.
like powdered sugar and stuff. Now that looks pretty creepy.
Down to the pits.
Look, somebody used a board to walk on the roof. So I think like somebody tried to remodel this place once upon a time.
A little window. Oh my god, look how creepy that is in there, dude.
Is that a couch?
That's a chair.
Oh.
Like a whole ass chair. Now hold up.
And here's where it gets dark and we need lights.
Oh my god, this ain't creepy at all.
What the heck?
Totally creepy, man.
Literally just one chair.
Hey guys. That was kind of a creepy place we stumbled upon, huh?
Yeah, all them weird headshots.
I kind of want to make the channel go towards that direction too. Just kind of a variety. So, just leave a comment if you want to, if I have any areas you want us to explore. Some place you don't want to go, we will. Creepy cemeteries, abandoned houses, as long as they're not going to fall in on us.
Or
think
us
that'll
get
be-
any, you know, cops after us. Don't
Yeah,
do
if it's like clearly visible and we're going to get arrested, I mean, we're not going to do that, but you know, just stuff like that. We could do review cars and stuff like that, and I just kind of like the whole creepy stuff too. So just leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment for any ideas.